So today I'm going to show you how to make a image background transparent. The first thing you'll want to do is just download Gimp. It's a free program, link in the description to download it. After you've downloaded and installed it, open it up. I already have it open right here, as you can see. So grab your image and just move it to the bigger window right here. First thing you'll want to do is select the paint bucket tool and then go down here and select a color that is not already in the image. In this case, it's just a black and white image. I can pick pretty much anything. In this case, I'll just pick green. And then what you'll want to do is go to Layer, Transparency, and Add Alpha Channel. Sometimes this will be grayed out. If it's grayed out, then you're all set to go. So we add Alpha Channel, then select by color. We'll select the green color and just press delete on your keyboard, not backspace, but the delete key. If you can't find it for some reason, you can go ahead to edit and select clear. And now the image has a completely transparent background, and all you have to do is file and overwrite. And as you can see, the original image now has a completely transparent background. And that's about it.